Hey guys, today I'm going to cover variables and data type. So, what is the use of variable and data types? First, I want to let you know the variable definitions. Definitions of variable is used to store data as per data type. If I have applied data type for numerical, then in variable I can store only numerical value. If I have applied data type for text means string, then I can store in variable text value. So let's see what what I can cover. So see here, I'm going to start sub macro name. I'm going to write here variable example. Here I'm going to cover numerical data type. So first I'll let you know how we can define the variable. So you need to write here dim. Dim means dimension. This is a keyword to declare the variable. So I'm going to declare variable name is counter. Okay, counter is a name of the variable. Then I have to write here as, and data type is byte. First data type I'm using here byte. So in byte, limitation of byte is we can store only 255 number. Up to 255 number I can store in byte data type. Okay. So in variable, I'm going to store counter equal to 100. Here I have stored 100 and I want to take counter output in message box. So I'm going to write here message box and I'm putting here counter. Okay, now you can see here I'm running this code through the F8 key. Run it. Now your output of the variable is 100 because I have stored 100. That's why I'm getting here 100 as a output. Suppose I want to store here. I have already told you limitation of byte is 255 number. Okay, so I'm going to run once again. You can see here I'm able to store 255 and you can see here output as a 255. Now I'm going to store 256. I have already told limitation of byte is 255. Now I'm trying to store 256. You can see here overflow. This is a error, runtime error I'm getting because limitation is crossed, means limitation of byte data type is exceeded. Here I'm trying to store 256. That's why I'm getting error. So limitation, max limitation is 255. You can take here 255, then your code will run successfully. You can see here this is successfully run. This is all about the byte data type. That's it for today. Thank you so much.